This is the base of the microscope. This is the pillar of the microscope. Attached to this pillar is the C arm, which helps us to hold the microscope. This is the optical part of the microscope holding the eyepiece. On the other side of this optical part, we have the objective, on which we have four sets of lenses. This is the mechanical stage. This is the adjusting screw for moving the mechanical stage. Is on this stage is attached to this pillar, and moving forward, if you see closely, these objective pieces are of various length. You can see some of the are longer than the other one, and it has different color codes. You can see the codes are given according to the powers. Okay, the shortest one is the 4x, then 10x, then 40x, then 100x. The 100x, it has a white color band, and the rest of the colors. Now this is the mechanical stage. This is the clip which helps us to hold the slide in place. For example, I'm keeping this newer slide on this mechanical stage, and to make it firmly placed on the mechanical stage, we can use this clip. Okay, this it has a spring action of this clip. Okay, it holds this cover slip or improve mirror slide with the help of a spring action, and we can just move this objective with the help of a revolving screw, which is called as a nose piece. Below the stage, we have a condenser diaphragm system, and we have an adjusting screw which helps us to move this part, and this part is called as the diaphragm. It has a membrane like structure which helps in increasing and decreasing the intensity of the light which is coming from the artificial source of light. Okay, now this is the screw which helps us to increase and decrease the intensity of the light that is coming from the tungsten bulb, which is housed at the base of the microscope. Now you can see at the very center of this stage we have an aperture which is in direct communicated distance from the condenser diaphragm system. The light that is approaching from the artificial source of light is passing through this iris diaphragm. This is the iris. This screw helps us to adjust the diameter of the diaphragm, and from the diaphragm and the condenser it goes up through the aperture in the center of the mechanical stage, and passes through the slide. Okay, so this is showing you how the condenser diaphragm system can be moved up and down. Okay, as you move up, the intensity of the light will be more, and if you're going down, the intensity of the light that is coming up from the source of light will be decreased. Now this is the screw which helps us to adjust the mechanical stage moving on sideways. Okay, you can see closely, but the upper part of the screw I can move it forward and backward, and from the bottom part I can move it left and right. Okay, this is the adjusting part of the microscope. It is the bigger screw which I am revolving right now is the coarse, and this is the fine adjustment screw. The smaller one is the fine adjustment screw. It actually basically moves the slide towards or away from the your objective lens. Okay,